What's going on, everybody? AK in the house, opening bell here in about 5 minutes. I want to start a couple minutes early. We have an open chat box. If you guys have any questions, we'll be watching the live flow throughout the course of the day. And if you guys have any chat, just put that in the chat box. So far, what is going on today in the market? Futures are, I'm going to have to minimize this. Futures are lower today by about 12.5. Oil's up a little bit here. I do have some positions that are moving today, and I gave this one to traders on Friday. TIGR, to be honest, I don't know what the company does. They are a fintech company to some degree, but those are up this morning. So TIGR, Nov 15, 2024, the 5.5 calls. I paid 20 cents for these. They hit the scanner at 45 cents, and they actually moved down in value. So TIGR, I'll be take off profits this morning. I have about 50 of these, so I have about $1,000 of risk here. I should be up over $1,000 this morning. I'm looking to get out of those around that 50-cent level, but we shall see. So futures down 12 this morning. Opening bell here in about 4 minutes. TIGR will have huge profits today in TIGR, guys. TIGR will have huge profits today in TIGR. So keep an eye on TIGR to the long side. I bought some calls on Friday. Those went down to 20 cents. That was a 10 out of 10 trade. So TIGR, the Nov 15, 2024, those were the 5.5, and I'll be looking to get out around that 50-cent level, maybe 55 cents. The higher, the better. Obviously, that will be a huge winner for me in TIGR. Stock's up about 80 cents today. I have some APA calls. I was looking to take profits in that one. Stock is sharply unchanged here. Shell down about 10 cents. I saw Bristol Myers up a little bit. Bristol Myers on its move higher. I have a target here at 80. HE, I have a pretty big position on this one. This one's pretty much unchanged here. So we'll see what we get today. Hopefully we'll get some really good trades, but I will be taking off TIGR for profits this morning. TIGR, I'll be taking off huge profits this morning. I have 50 of those contracts at that 20-cent level, and hopefully I'll get out at around 55. So I'll make 30 cents on 50 contracts will be $1,500 of profit today. If you guys have any questions, just put it in the chat box. I want everybody to learn. Learning is much more important than actually making money, believe it or not, because if anybody can make money in the short term, but if you want to learn, you can make money in the long term. So TIGR, guys, stock is 841 at 541 at 544. I'm gonna be looking to sell those on the open. Hopefully, get around that 50-cent level. I don't know where they're going to open. If they open at like 40 cents, I wouldn't sell them. But I think around 50 cents should be good here in TIGR. So TIGR, the 5.5s, 45 to 50 cents, maybe even 55 cents. We have to wait for the market to open. I did buy those on Friday. If you're a subscriber of one of our services, we did send that out as an official signal. I started watching the WWE WWE documentary. This is it. So TIGR, guys, first trade that I'll be looking to take off. In 1 minute, we watch the order flow throughout the course of the day. Try to react on order flow, place trades on that I think you can make money. I saw Bristol Myers calls out at 80. Bristol Myers up nicely here. These close at about 45. They have about a 40 delta. Stock's up about 60 cents. So 70. I have them out at 80 right now. Bristol Myers. BMY is starting to move up. I actually have Gilead calls as well. Gilead's actually down today. I'll keep an eye on Gilead to the long side. I would add to those around the 60-cent level. So let me put a 60 bid in here for Gilead Nov 90s. GILD, Nov 15, 2024, 90 calls. I'm looking to buy $720 of these at that 60-cent level. So let's get party started. Come on, TIGR. Give me 50 cents. FinTech Holdings. These Chinese names are insane. Baba up $4. PDD up $7. So TIGR on the open, 35.60, 55 cents, guys. 55 cents, 55. Going once, going twice. Try to sell them at 55. It did not get filled. Try to sell them at 55. It did not get filled here in TIGR. Stock's up 78 cents. HE down. I looked at add more HE's calls at like 20 cents. So TIGR, guys, they're 50, 55. I'm not selling them for 50. I might be able to get 60 for these. TIGR, guys, TIGR. HE calls, I look to add to these at 20. They're 2027, 2029 here. TIGR, guys, still keeping an eye on these more PDD calls being bought. It's hard to be buying anything in PDD. Stock is just up so much. Bristol Myers up 45 cents. They're 50, 55. I'm not selling them yet. They're 55 bid. I'm going to try to sell them for 60, guys. That'd be 200% winner, guys. TIGR, 60 cents. Trying to get 65 now. 65, guys, in TIGR. 65, I'd take them off here at 65, guys. They're 55, 65. TIGR, 111 at 15, 2024, 5.5 calls. I'm trying to get 65 cents here, guys. Paid 20 cents for these. Up $2,000 today in TIGR. Not filled yet. They're at 60. Futures down 8.5. CHGN higher. HIMS higher. Bristol Myers higher. Gilead's probably lower today. Gilead's down 23 cents. HIMS calls. Come on, TIGR. Fill me at 65. Should get filled here in a second. Of $2,200, guys, in TIGR. Pay 20 cents for these. They're 50, 65 and the best offer in the world. Bristol Myers moving up nicely here. HE's down 20 cents. HE calls 25.30. Futures only down 6. Day down 18 cents. Glow down. Him starting to move up nicely here. Come on, HIMS. Let's try to sell some of these at 90. So Bristol Myers offer out. HIMS offer out. TIGR offered out. Haven't not traded anything yet today. I want to cancel my offer. I'm going to cancel my offer here in TIGR. So TIGR, I'm just going to cancel my offer for a minute. Paid 20 cents, guys. They're going for about 65 right now. 60, 65. They're barely at 65. Can sell them at 60. I don't want to sell them at 60. I'm trying to get an extra 5 cents out of these. Increase the profitability of this trade. I canceled my bid, so I can kind of just leave it here and see what happens. H-band down a nickel. Bristol Myers moving up nicely. I have an offer out at 80 cents, guys, at Bristol Myers. Best offer in the world in Bristol Myers. Don't want to sell them at 55. Don't want to sell them at 60. Trying to get 65. I need stock to move up about 5 more cents here in TIGR, guys. Yes, HIMS I still have on, yes. Gilead down 20 cents. Just fill me at 65. I'm going to put an offer out again. Bristol Myers on fire here. I might cancel my offer and raise it. I'm going to move Bristol Myers up to 85 now, guys. I'm going to move Bristol Myers up to 85 now. So Bristol Myers, I'm going to move up to 85. So up to 85 in Bristol Myers. BMY next week, 52s. I raised my offer. Stock is bid here. So Bristol Myers have an offer out. TIGR have an offer out. Have not taken a trade yet today, guys. I have up money today. I'm down in HE. I'm up in TIGR. Shell calls are no bid at a dime. Not looking to add any of those. BMY offer out. TIGR offer out. HTZ calls trading here. HTZ next week 5.5, guys. HTZ next week 5.5. 5,000 trade here in HTZ, guys. I'm not going to take these. HTZ calls being boss. Next week 3.5. This is was a Carl Icahn play for a while. So HTZ at 10-11, 2024. 3.5 calls. Trading 20 cents. Not taking them. I'm not taking them with my money here, guys. So I'm not going to take these with my money. HTZ calls in the tape, guys. HTZ. Yeah, Shell will go to 0. And I know that. TIGR, they're at 55 now. APA down here. 48 at 54. Paid 46 for those. Have an offer out in APA. We had APA here. Oops. Gilead basically unchanged here. Oil down 16 cents. Futures down 4 1/4. TIGR moving up again. Have an offer at 65. Bristol have an offer at 85. BMY 1011 2024. ACHR trading here, guys. ACHR. So HTZ calls being bought and ACHR calls being bought. Not taking either of these. Come on, Bristol Myers. Get me higher. TRGR 55.60. Just need stock to move about 10 more cents. They're bid for 1,700 of these. Soxel down. NVIDIA down. SMCI was down. Now it's back up a little bit. Neo calls hitting the tape. So we wait and react on that order flow, guys. We're looking for trades in the derivative space. CCL down on earnings. I talked about that on my video, that I'd rather be short than long. CCL. CCL saw down about 80 cents. Like I said, I haven't taken a trade yet today, so I'm being a little bit patient. But, you know, I do have offers on Bristol Myers. I do have offers out in TIGR. FLNC higher. I can put my 210 offer on those. So I always have working orders, bids in under the market, offers above the market. CHGN calls. I pay $220. I'd offer them at $5. Uber down. Day call down 7 cents. CRC down. See a decent amount of here red. We also do see oil lower by about 15 cents. Futures down a point. I'm going to remove HTZ from my radar. If you guys have any questions, please put them out there. I have not taken a trade yet. I've not taken an entry or an exit yet. TIGR offers 65. There's 10 lot of 60. On the best offer in the world. Should get filled here in a minute. TIGR. Bristol Myers off the highs. Him starting to move up nicely here. APA down. HE down. MNSO, guys. Wow. The 22.5. They're buying the 15 calls. There's up to 380. Remember those guys? MNSO, guys. MNSO. TIGR about to hit a target of 65. Best offer in the world still. Did not get filled. Futures were down about 12 pre-market. Now the futures are only down 3. If you have any questions, feel free to ask any questions you want. I'm here for you. I have not taken a trade yet today. No entries, no exits. I do have an offer out in TIGR at 65. I paid 20 cents. That'd be good for 250% profit here. About to get filled here. Devin calls being sold. Just fill me. FLNC higher. CHGN higher. Uber down. Glow down. They won't fill me. It's got to get through this 5.5 level. I'm not taking a trade yet. I don't see anything actionable. Just waiting to see the order flow throughout the market. I do have some offers offered out. I'm going to lower my Bristol Myers offer out in BMY to 80 now. was trying to get 85 for those, but now the stock is going down. I'm going to lower my offer to 80 cents. Best offer in the world in TIGR. Just need the stock to move up about another 5 cents. Maybe 3 cents. APA down 32 cents. Shell down 34 cents. Gilead down. HE down. Up $2,000 in TIGR. Still not filled yet. Uber down. SHLS. I was trying to buy some of those. Those are no 7s at a quarter. So let me put an offer bid in here. I always am working like 40 resting bids in the market. And then I have offers always offered out. TIGR I took on Friday. I did not get filled pre-market. It was on Friday when I bought those. It was on Friday. I was not pre-market. You can't trade options until 9:30 Eastern. High of the day was 552. Sometimes it's time to be more aggressive. Sometimes it's time to be less aggressive. Today, I've not placed a new trade. I'm looking for APA calls on a pullback. I'm looking for HE calls on a pullback. HE is weak here. I'm looking to buy some HE, guys. HE 10/18, 2024, 10.5 calls for 20 cents. So here's one that I'm looking to buy. HE calls, I'm bid in the market. Moves 71 cents a day, so it does have a nice ATR, average true range. If the low is in for the day, I can go up. Ooh. But think about lowering my 20 bid to 18 bid now. We lower my 20 bid to 18 here. So I'm going to lower my HE bid to 18 cents here, guys. There we go, guys. TIGR, profit targets in TIGR, guys. TIGR, November call, 65 cents. Sell all. TIGR, 11/15, 2024, 5.5 calls for 65. Paid 20 cents. Trade is over, guys. Great trade here, guys. In TIGR. TIGR, guys. 220% profits here in TIGR from Friday. And the stock's moving up. They're going to get to trade 70 cents in here in a second. So TIGR on fire here. This is an exit for my subscribers. If you're a subscriber, you would get an exit here in TIGR. Look at the stock go. So TIGR, guys, taking profit targets off. Up $2,200 today, guys. Up $2,200 today in TIGR. So TIGR, $2,200 profit today in TIGR. 65 cents, I'm out. There's 65 bid coming out. If I want, I can remove that from my radar. Try to not punish myself. Because the stock goes up, then I get mad at myself, right? So TIGR exit, guys. TIGR exit. $0.20 to 65 is about 220% profit here, guys. On one of my signals in TIGR. TIGR, guys. Huge profits today in TIGR. The only thing I've taken an entry or an exit on. 220% in at 20 cents, out at 65 in TIGR. HE getting crushed. I would lower my bid here at HE to 18 cents. Let's see where I am. I don't want to be the best bid in the world. They're 20 bid in front of me, so I lowered my bid here to 18. Bid here, guys, and HE calls. Trade 71 cents a day. At 18 cents, they're pretty cheap here. So TIGR profit targets, guys, and TIGR. Huge profits here. HE, I lowered my 20 bid to 18 cents. I'd rather be buying the offer than having a resting bid in there, but that's my personal opinion. HIMS starting to move up here, up 23 cents. It failed at 18 last time. It does have a decent ATR. HE 2021. There's 200 offered at 21 cents. CHGN moving up. So if I wanted to punish myself, I could keep an eye on TIGR. Oh my God, look at the stock go. Those are now trading 80 cents. Those are now trading 80 cents, guys. So I took off those off a little too early here. I did take off MSM, which was a nice exit. On those October 90s, I took those off at 105. I would rebuy some of those at like 40 cents. Actually, I got filled at 40. I'm going to go 30 bid under the market. So MSM, I'm keeping an eye on. Look at just seller and HE did all day today. 2021 on those. One exit so far today, guys. No entry so far today. See some HPE calls being bought. I'm not going to take these. This would be a day trade, guys. If you're interested in day trading, HPE 20.5s. HPE 20.5s. Those are this week 20.5. So HPE 4,000 trade here. So 4,000 HPE, 10-4, 2024. And these are the 20.5 calls. Trading. Let's see what price they trade. 20 cents. This would be a day trade only, guys. Sell to close. So HPE, there you go. You see HPE calls being bought. You get in at 20 cents here, guys. I'm not taking these. I'm not a big day trader. I'm more like a swing trader. So here's the buy, guys. A buyer of 4,000. Buyer 4,000. HPE 10-4, 2024. The 20.5 calls trading here at 20 cents. So if you want to take these, you can take these in HPE. Calls being bought in HPE is a day trade only, guys. HPE trading is a day trade only here. HPE hitting a day trade only. Bristol Myers with another move higher. I'm trading on about a $50,000 account. So every trade is a percentage of my total account. CRC up a quarter, day up a quarter, FLNC higher. TIGR is out at 65, guys. TIGR out at 65. $225% profit. I kind of want to buy some more HE calls at 21 cents. I kind of letting them chill for a second. API up on the day. So I've taken off dollar amount risk today, guys. Like I said, I traded with about a $45,000 account. Hawaiian Electric. Hawaiian Electric. HPE calls were bought today. Stocks on 8 cents. Oh my God, TIGR. I took them off at 65. They're worth 85 now. So maybe I took them off a little too early. It's the only thing I've done so far today, guys. The only thing I've done so far today. Keep an eye on these HE calls. These are 10-18, 2024, 10.5 calls. 85 cents out of the money. I get them for 20 cents. The ATR is 72 cents. And the RSI is 34 cents. Let me lower this. TMUS trading here 2026. So all I do is watch the order flow in the derivative space, guys, and then I place and allocate capital on certain trades. And let me go to an RSI. See if there's anything oversold so far today. And no RSIs today. Huge winner, guys, in TIGR. Huge winner on TIGR, guys. Keep an eye on these HE calls, guys. Do the HE 1018. I'm going to buy some for 21 here, guys. They only give me 19 of them. So I'm going to take a trade here in HE, guys, 21 cents. So HE, guys, I'm going to buy some of these at 21. I didn't get filled on all of them, though. 1018, 2024, 10.5 calls for 21 cents, guys. So I'm buying some of these for 21. $0.21 here. Oh, they have them at 22. I got some at 21. Let's cancel. I'm going to cancel, see if I can get them at 21. Market moving lower. There are 21, 22. TIGR October calls. I couldn't buy anything here at TIGR. Now I canceled my bid. I bought 18 at 21. CICR. No, I'm not taking anything in that one. Very specific about what I want to trade here. Why is it not letting me? So 22 cents, guys. I'll be adding HE here at 22, guys. So I'm adding to a position here in HE, guys, at 22 cents. So 22, guys. $10.18, 2024. Gives me 3 weeks of these 10.5 calls. 22 cents, guys. So HE, guys, I'm adding to my position. Do not add if you're not bullish. HE, guys. HE. 10.18, 2024. The 10.5s. HE, guys. HE. You can get at around 23 cents here. I'm going to put my offer out at 33. I would not be adding unless you're bullish. You have to be bullish HE. You got to be bullish, probably the market too. So new entry for a an ad here, guys, of HE calls. An ad here of HE. I'd have one more ad at 10 cents. I'd have one more ad at 10 cents here in HE. So a new entry here, guys. HE, guys. 10.18, 2024, 10.5 calls. So I bought more of these guys. So want the stock to move higher. You can get them at 23 if you want to pay 23 for them. Only traded 700,000 shares here. So 22 cents, guys. HE. HE 10.18, 2024, the 10.5 calls. I am down money on these. But if you like this trade, you can get into them cheaper than where I got them into them at. So 2 trades so far. We see some Newmont calls being bought. Those are hitting the tape. 4,500 Newmont calls. I'm not looking to buy these guys. I'm not looking to buy Newmont calls. NEM calls hitting the tape here, and NEM 4,500. HE, this is buy to open. I'm buying more of these. NEM 1018 2024. 54 calls for 134. So there's about a $500,000 bet here, guys. And Newmont. Here you go in Newmont, guys. So Newmont, as you can see here, a buyer of 5,400 of these. So this is Newmont, guys. Newmont Mining, $600,000 of premium. So this is a pretty big bet here. Buyer of NEM 1018 2024. 54 calls for 123. $600,000 bet. HPE calls on fire, guys. HPE calls I just gave you for 20 cents. Up to 35 now. Almost 100% winner, guys, in HPE, guys. HPE, almost 100% winner, guys, in HPE. We talked about those in HPE, guys. So HPE winner. TIGR winner. Look at these, guys. Talked about these 20.5 calls. They're bought at 20 cents, 4,000. We're looking for volume to be greater than open interest. Those are starting to move here, guys, in HPE. I gave you those at 20 cents. They're trading 35 right now in HPE. HPE trading 35 cents. Gilead about to go up on the day. APA target offered out. Bristol target offered out. So great trading, guys, if you got into those. Great trading if you got into those. Great trading. So one new position for me, HE, and then HPE profit targets, TIGR profit targets. TIGR trading $6. Those no calls I bought for 20 cents are now up to $1. Wowzer. Crazy here. Great trading, guys, so far today. Great trading today so far. I'm not buying Newmont calls. NEM. I do like those HE calls, guys. If you're interested in those, around 22 cents. 22.25. STLA calls being bought. STLA, no 14s. STLA, no 14s trading here, guys. This might be another stock that's up a lot. STLA. Whoa, Constellation. This stock have earnings? Does this have stock have earnings? The stock's down a ton today. 52-week low. Volatility hitting a 52-week high and short stock restricted. I don't even know what this company does. STLA, guys, I don't hate these. These are no 14s. Doesn't have a big ATR, though. I'm not going to take these in STLA. I do like the signal, guys. STLA. I think it's okay here. $146,000 of premiums traded. 8 million shares so far today. I like it here. You know, if you wanted to take a little bit of nibble in it, I do like it here. There's 2,000 offered at 85. So buyer of 1,000 STLA, 11/15, 2024, 14 calls for 80 cents. So you can get them around 80 cents, guys. I do like them here. I don't like the fact that the stock's down so much. So STLA, guys, STLA. You can keep an eye on these. You can take these if you want it. STLA, 11/15, 2024, 14 calls were bought. 1,821 of these guys in STLA. Oh, they do Jeeps? The problem with this, guys, I trade through Thinkorswim, and you can see here there's 2,000 of them offered at 85 cents. So there's 2,000 of these offered at 85 cents. So I like to trade things that are a little less liquid here. So I'm not taking these. If you want to take these, you're on your own. Reward to risk, I do like these at the 80 cent level. So reward to risk, I do like these at that 87 level, 80 cent level, guys. Reward to risk, I do like those at that 80 cent level. WB 10-4-12 is trading here. So I've given you HPE winner. I gave you TIGR monster winner. HE is coming back to a little bit of a winner here. They're 23.24. D-Low higher, FLNC higher. Puts being bought here, guys, in Hood. 22.5 puts in Robinhood trading 24 cents, guys. Robinhood puts trading here. And I've been doing this, guys, every day. I've been running the trading room for 13 years, almost 14 years. So it's not like one of these things that we just launched. I've been trading the trading room every single day. I do Monday through Thursday for 13 years. So buyer of Hood, 10/4/2024, 22.5 puts for 22 cents. Robinhood, guys, Robinhood. I actually got out of WBA last week. It's up 12 cents. I had nice profits in that one. Hood trading here, guys. HOOD. These are the 10/4/2024. 22.5 puts in Robinhood. 24 cents. You can get this trade for $24 per one lot. So I did not take STLA. Robinhood, taking in the tape, guys. If you're bearish Robinhood, here's a reason to take a trade. So if you're bearish Robinhood, here's a reason to take a trade. The glare's right on me. So TIGR, guys, now 400% profit from Friday. HPE, 70% profit from today. What else do we have going on? HPE. HE, guys, have a profit target at 33. HE have a profit target at 33. They're 24.25. AMC calls being sold. AMC 10/4/2024, 8 calls being sold. So what I'm looking for here basically is if I did like a scan functionality, if I could get rid of ETFs, I could get rid of spreads, I could get rid of puts. I'm really just looking for volume greater than open interest. Maybe me, I move my premium levels up to like, I don't know, 40,000. Volumes greater than open interest. So I'm really looking for those single big bets in the derivative space where volume is greater than open interest. Volume, how many contracts trade today? Open interest, how many exist before today? So I'm looking for volume to be greater than open interest. Volume to greater than open interest. And you can see my filled orders. So far, I bought some HPE calls around 22 cents. Sorry, HE calls, and I sold TIGR way too early. I'm never going to sell everything on the top and buy it on the bottom, but I'm happy with that. HPE calls. I'd be out of that trade, guys. HPE, I'd be out of that trade. Take your money and run on those. TME on fire. Asher on fire. I go live. I do go live with another community every Monday through Thursday. I go live for you guys for free every single Monday. So I do go live for you guys for free every Monday. There might be something cooking where we can go live every day, but nothing yet. And I've been going live for 13 years, guys. So for me, this is nothing new. I could do this backwards, forward, left, and right over and over again. I sleep, breathe, eat options in my sleep. I've written multiple books on options. You know, my way of trading is very different than everybody else, and it fits perfectly with OptionStrat because it's live flow in the derivative space. I react to certain trades in the option market. So I bought some HEs today, so I bought another $2,000. HE 10/18/2024, 10.5 calls for 22. Target will be 33. So HE, guys. Yeah, low price options is the best way to make money. You know, 20 to 80 cents is really my wheelhouse because you can get a great ROI, return on investment. Here's some APA calls that I bought a couple days ago. I'll give you guys these. Use the APA 10/18/2024. 25.5 calls. I paid 46. The target is 70. Huge profits in TIGR today, guys. I bought some Gilead calls. Gilead 11/15/2024, 90 calls for 125. The most interesting orders of the day is Newmont calls, HE calls, and STLA calls. I did not take Newmont. I would buy Newmont calls, but I would have to get them a lot cheaper. It does have a nice ATR of about $1.35 a day. So I'll put a bid in here way under the market, guys. If I happen to get filled at 60 cents, I would take these here. Let's do 70 cents for $400. So I'm going to go 70-cent bid for $400 just in case the stock gets crushed today. So NEM, 10/18, 2024, 54 calls. I am 70-cent bid for 6 contracts. And that's $720 of risk. And like I said, hope you guys are enjoying this. It's a treat for me to do it in front of you. I love presenting. I love being live in front of you guys. Robert's been like, I've been with you for 10 years. Thank you. It's a long time. I think it's better than any relationship I've ever had. Gilead moving up. Bristol making another move higher. So Bristol Myers has some calls for next week. So these were BMY. 10/11, 2024. The 52 calls. I paid 54, and then the target's 80. So Bristol Myers moving up nicely. Day moving up nicely. You do run, run, run. You do run, run. I just need HE to rally from the lows. Come on, HE. Just go up like 75 cents today. STLA. I love how you guys have been with me for so long. That's awesome. And like I said, I'm not going anywhere. I wake up every morning. Well, I'm in Sweden right now. So I wake up in Sweden. I cold plunge, steam, sauna. LU, guys. LU 4.5. LU 4.5. Lufix. I'm not buying those. LU, guys. LU. LU 10/18, 2024, 4.5 calls for 10 cents. Not taking them. No, thank you. So a lot of times you think it seems like a lot is going on, but to be honest, I've taken one new entry in HE that's a winner, one exit in TIGR, which is a winner, and then I always have offers out above the market. Sometimes I'll have bids in under the market. Love it. I'm loving it. Guys, this is the best attendance yet, guys, and it's good to have a good day of profits when we're having our best attendance. I love that, guys. And this is a community. I try to build this as a community. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask any questions you have. $15 minutes ago, actually 20 minutes ago. Let me get some water. So my biggest dollar amount risk position is HE here, guys. Are those close? These out daily? Usually I hold till I hit profit targets or exits. Usually I hold till I hit profit targets or exits. I usually I don't really want them to go in the money. So my biggest dollar amount is HE, guys. The method of the madness is basically I just watch the live flow here and I place and react capital on certain trades that I like. So, I mean, every trade, I trade in with about a $45,000 account. A trade could be $100. It could be $5,000. It just depends on how much I like the trade. Right now, my biggest dollar amount risk position is HE, guys. So I have the most risk on anything on HE 10/18, 2024, 10.5 calls. That is my biggest dollar amount risk position, HE. Okay. And I just happen to like that trade. and doesn't have to move that much. It's got a decent ATR. APA is starting to move up nicely here. So I just wait and react on trades in the derivative space. I'm an option trader. Tesla calls being bought. NVIDIA down, Microsoft down, Meta down, Amazon down, AMD down. NEM calls were bought. And STLA calls were bought. STLA, I would buy some of these at like 40 cents. So I'm going to go 40 bid on these guys in STLA. Just to have a bid in out there. What is my average profit per trade? What is my average profit target? Sometimes 50 and 100%, but sometimes like in TIGR, I can get 250%. So it kind of just depends. Unit calls being bought. The sevens. Unit sevens traded 500,000 shares. They're trading these for 20 cents. Unit sevens in November. It's going to have a small ATR here. Doesn't really move much here in unit sevens. UNIT, guys, unit sevens. They trade 20 cents here in unit sevens. UNIT, guys, the sevens. 3,000 are being bought here, guys. UNIT sevens. So UNIT sevens trading here. UNIT sevens trading here. Interesting order, smaller ATR. I don't like to take things with small ATRs. I'm not going to take these here. If you guys take these, they're on your own. But unit, guys. So buyer of 3,026 UNIT 11/15/2024 7 calls for 25 cents. I'll put a 15 bid. You know, if you want to fill me a 15, then my target is 20. I don't even want to be 15 bid. I'd be 10 bid. So I'm going to put a 10 bid in under the market. So unit calls, guys, UNIT. So you get this trade for $20 per one lot. I am not taking it with my capital. Doesn't mean I'm going to be right or wrong. Chinese internet names, I think they're so overbought. I haven't looked at RSIs of these, but I'm going to add these up here on my watch list. Asher on the RSI. Actually, Asher's 86. So I'd actually be looking to short these names. Baba, 84. PDD, 75. How about the KWeb? KWeb, 85. I mean, I'd rather be short than long any of these names. JD call. Look at that. Stocks don't move like that, guys. That is the China ETF. Wowzer. It's gone from 27 to 36. Wow. More PDD calls being bought here. I'm not long. I'm not short. I'm not long or I'm not short, guys. Just letting you know my opinion right now. You know, usually I have positions on ENB. I was looking to buy some ENB Nove 42.5 at 20. That would be a trade if I get filled in these. Let me see if I have a bid in under the market. So these are ENB Nove 42.5 at 20 cents. If I get filled, this will be a signal for someone. So ENB. So ENB 11/15/2024, 42.5 calls, 20 cents. If I get filled at 20, guys, it'll be a signal for somebody. Boom! 20 bid. Unit calls 15.25. RSI of unit is 71. Gilead moving up. Come on, Bristol. So ENB, I'm bid under the market, guys. If they get filled at 20 cents, it will be an official signal for somebody. Somebody. 20 cents. How do I say no to 20-cent options? So I am bid in the market here, guys. The low is in for the day for HE. HE can get to 10:30. Got a great attendance so far today, guys. Always ask questions, the best way to learn. I'm here for you more than I am for me. I've worked out twice, cold plunge steam, sauna, infrared sauna. I'm also in Sweden. So right now in Sweden, it is 4:15 p.m. Where do I teach? You might be able to Google me and figure it out. I don't think I can technically say where I am. My website. CRC moving higher. 230, 260. Come on, HE. Trade 1030 today. I would not be looking to get long any of the Chinese internet names. I think they're all shorts. PDD, K-Web, Baba. Great profits, guys, in TIGR today. Great profits in TIGR. Those went up 400% too. Targets in Hood, I would have a 50% profit target. I did not take the trade, though. So 33 would be your target. If you got in at 22, 33 would be your target. If you got in at 34, 36 would be your target. So big buyer of Hood puts. And I can add puts here. And you can see a buyer, 4,501, HOOD, 10/4/2024, 22.5 puts, traded 24 cents. Volume, how many contracts traded today? Open interest, how many exist before today? So big buyer of Hood puts. Big buyer of Hood puts. It's hard to make money on puts, guys. It's much easier to make money on calls because the market does go up 85% of the time. Remember that. APA moving up. Target and APA, 70 cents. Paid 46 for those. GameStop calls being bought. P&L higher today. Even with down money in HE. I'm down money in HE. Still up money today. So these APA calls have a target at 70, guys. Best offer in the world. These are APA 2018, 2024, 25 calls for 70 cents. That'd be 50% profits. I love making money when the market's down. CHDN, that's a position I have on. That was actually like, I wanted to make it almost my biggest dollar amount risk position. I really wanted this one to be my biggest dollar amount risk position. So CHDN calls. I got some as cheap as I think 320. BP calls being bought again. This week 32s in BP, guys. So CHGN, 12/20, 2024, 145 calls for around 320. Target $5. And then BP 10/4, 2024, 32 calls traded. About 18 cents here in BP. I use Thinkorswim, but you know my trading system is broker agnostic. I don't get paid by Thinkorswim. If you open an account with the Thinkorswim, I don't make any money. But you can trade whatever you want. So one new entry in HE, one target in TIGR. Futures getting cracked here. Still in Bristol calls, still in APA calls. I'm mad I didn't add to Bristol. I'm mad I didn't add to Bristol. APA, close to selling some APA calls, guys, at 70 cents. More BP calls being bought. Now they're buying the 10/18, 32.5s. British Petroleum, HER is 60 cents. Standard deviation, HER is lower than that. And then your RSI is going to be 40.23 here, or 40.24. Yeah, H-band doesn't really move that much. I'm still in November 16s at 20 cents. Target is 30 cents. BP, guys. BP hitting the tape. Let's see if I like these here in BP. Stock is getting butchered. So these are BP. $10.18, 32.5s. Am I going to buy them? Am I going to buy them? I'm going to buy some guys for 34. I pay up to 35. Looking to buy $600 worth. I'll pay $35 for $700 worth. They won't fill me at 35. So BP guys, I'm trying to buy $700 worth here. So buyer. So 34. I was trying to pay 35. I'm going to cancel my bid here. So BP guys, reward to risk is my favorite #1 setup. No APAs already moved. Don't be chasing the trades after the fact, guys. You have to get in them when they happen. So BP guys, I do like the signal guys in BP. Now they're 35, 37. So this is my #1 pick of the day, guys. Actually, #2 pick of the day. And we'll see how they work out. Buy BP 1018 2024 32.5 calls for 34 cents. #1 pick of the day was HE 1018 2024, the 10.5 calls for 22. So we'll see how these work out, guys. We'll see how these work out. And I don't like chasing trades. There we go. APA, guys. Profit targets and APA, guys. Profit targets and APA at 70 cents. APA profit targets. So profit targets and APA, guys. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of time. So all APA 1018 2024 25.5 calls for 69 cents. Paid 46 cents. 50% profits. So send this out, guys. APA profit targets. APA profit targets, guys. APA profit targets. That's what I like to see. So APA profit targets, guys. So 2 profit targets, 1 entry. And did not get filled the BP yet. And sometimes you think it's really crazy how much I'm trading. I'm really not trading that much. It just seems like a lot because I have a lot of energy. So exit here, guys. Exit here in APA, 50% winner. I send out all the trades myself. So APA, guys, profit targets, guys. APA profit targets. So I removed that from my radar. Don't have to watch that one anymore. If it pulls back, I wouldn't mind buying it, but APA profit targets. $50 winner, guys, in APA. Boom. Booyah to ya. P&L higher today. Great. TIGR, $2,200 profit. I do like BP to the long side, guys. I'm 34 bid. I'm not going to I'm not going to raise my bid here. I'm 34 bid. Futures are moving lower here. IQ calls being bought. That's another one of these Chinese names. IQ up 42 cents. BP I have a 34 bid in. I think 34 bid in BP. They're 37 bid in front of me. So I like the signal, guys. The BP, a buyer of 1,406. BP 1018 2024, 32 and a half calls. The entry was 34 cents. I'm not paying 37. I'm not paying 38. I'm going to stick with my buy. Maybe if the futures go up, I'm going to keep an eye on BP, where the stock is trading. And if it pulls back a little bit, maybe I'll be able to get in a little bit cheaper. Off those lows of 30.50. ATR, 59 cents a day. Standard deviation ATR, 30 cents a day. BIP. I'm trying to see where the high of the day for PDD is. Wow, if you're just getting whacked. SPY at the money, straddle at the money, calls at the money, puts for this week. SPY calls. These are all calls, yes. Yes. 570 calls, 570 puts that expired today. 25-point move implied between now and the end of the day. So 25-point move implied in the SPY, 25-point move implied in the futures. So futures could be up 14 on the day or down 35 points or 35 centavos. Great profits in TIGR, guys, today. Great profits in APA today. A good overall day. And all it takes is a couple really good trades. Three minutes to play. 3 minutes to play in the period. I don't force trades. I don't chase trades. You can see I have 39 working orders. My biggest winner today is I'm up 2,200 in TIGR, down 1,800 in HE. Options do have what is called a mark-to-market count. As the stock goes down and the option goes down, loses money. As the stock goes up, option moves up, you'll make money. APA, I bought those on Friday. APA, I bought those on Friday. Bought them on Friday, sold them Monday, 50%. TIGR, bought on Friday, sold on Monday in TIGR. That was a 250% winner. Abercrombie & Fitch, May 2025 calls trading here. Number one click is HE calls. Number two clicks is BP calls. Why did I collect TIGR? Because they hit the scanner, and I liked them. They hit the scanner, actually, the Nov 5.5s. They actually hit at 45 cents, and I happened to get lucky and buy them at 20 cents and 25 cents. So I was in around 22 cents. BP sells off. I may be able to get into these cheaper. I'm still not bid in the market. BP, I'm 34 bid. I'm going to lower my bid in BP to 30. Don't need to be the best bid in the world. Had great profits in MSM. Yeah. Scanners here. I show you the scanner, how I react to these trades on the scanners. Most trades are not actionable, guys. You got to understand most trades are not actionable. Most trades are not actionable. But I'm looking for those, diamond in the rough trades that are actionable. Nice trade in Newmont. Kevo said he made some money on that Newmont call. Nice trading, Kevo. Futures moving up. How do you know which ones are actionable so quickly? I've been doing this for 23 years. I've been trading basically every day for 23 years. So this just, my brain works. It's like when I ask my golf coach, how does he hit the ball 150 yards in straight? He's hit probably 50,000 golf balls. I've just been doing this for so long. You know, for sometimes it's weird for me to say that I'm a multimillionaire from trading, but I am a multimillionaire from trading. All right, guys, if you're in the YouTube channel, this is it for us today. Everybody have a great day. We'll come back next Monday. If you guys are part of my room, I'll see you guys back in about 5. Thanks, everyone. Huge day of profits.